Okay, everybody, today is the day. Kaylee and I finally have gotten to see the RV we've been waiting for. It showed up today at Lazy Days, 2021 Winnebago Voyage 2831RB. We've been looking at this thing online for months, and they finally got one in. 10,400 pounds max weight. I think it's right around, what did it say? I don't even see the total on here. It's right around 7 or 8, I think. So it's got a ton of storage. It's pre-wired for solar. It's got this nice wet bay area, huge storage. Let's go around the back. It's got electric stabilizing jacks. It's so funny because we didn't know if we'd have to custom order it with all the options we wanted. And this thing came with everything. So it's got a stabilizing system at the front, so it's all controlled from the front. The bumper's got the hole so we could put the stinky slinky. It's all LED lights, pre-wired for electric. It's a rear bath, so that's a window in the back for the bathroom. It's got outdoor speakers, second entry door, nice big awning. Oh, we're excited. The solid step, I love. Oh, screen door's open. There she is.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So like the other Voyages, it has this big closet, which is amazing. This one is different. Where's the light switch? It has a light switch. Oh, well the other ones did. This one's different because it has this box here, so we still haven't figured that part out because the other ones didn't have that. But it's still tons of storage. AC's controlled here. Pre-wired for 50 amp, so it's got 2 ACs. Jensen system. Connect. So we thought we were going to be strange by wanting the dinette, the 4-seat dinette, and the 2 chairs because that would short us a bed. And I can't believe the first one that they get off the assembly line is that exact setup. It's got the larger fridge instead of the pantry. I think it's 12 cubic feet. We wanted gas electric. Storage up there.
Oh, this is comfy.
Little teeny oven. Is it comfy?
Yes.
The convection microwave. I love the colors of the cabinetry. Wow, that's heavy duty hydraulic. Cool. The glass on the front, a nice sink. Asdel construction on the walls. It's just beautiful. It's everything we wanted. Nice backsplash. King size bed. That was a big want for us. Lots of storage. Second entry, and then a closet also. Floor to ceiling. Tons of storage. We are so excited. Very, huh?
So they have the USB and outlets, like even there and there.
Of the slide, yeah.
And then that's got like a storage in the middle.
Oh, big storage. Oh yeah, we didn't even go to the bathroom yet. It's the rear bath, it's the best part.
So much storage.
So much room in general. It's a nice size shower. It's a nice porcelain toilet. The window, tons of storage. All the way down. And look at that, my beautiful face. That's it. There's a good chance we're going to be walking away with this RV today, folks. So next time we'll save one for you, but this one's ours, I think. We'll see though. All right, till next time.